Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create landscape and portrait orientation on the same document in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to create portrait orientation for the first page. Okay, this is already portrait, and for the second page, I'm going to make it landscape. Okay, here I'm going to go to the layout, and then to create the portrait and landscape orientation on the same document, we need to add the section breaks. I'm going to select the next page. Okay, and for the second page, I'm going to make it landscape. All right, and then if you want to make it portrait, if you want to get back the portrait, you can add the section breaks again. Okay, and then I'm going to make it portrait. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!